Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm an intellectual property attorney. And if you're a dedicated Videosocials viewer, you'll notice I've got a new poster in the back today. I'll talk about that at the end of the video, but we're going to talk about some intellectual property issues first. So one thing to watch out for if you're someone who is preparing to sell or buy a business is to make sure that all the rights that you are supposedly giving or getting relating to the company's intellectual property, that you are actually going to get what you think you're going to get, or you're selling what the buyer thinks they're going to get. And to do that, you need to do your due diligence, and you have to do what's called an intellectual property audit or an IP audit. And what you are really checking with an IP audit is, does the business own and protect its intellectual property? Things that an intellectual property lawyer like me would look at in an IP audit is, are trademarks that the business is using, are they registered? Have they been renewed? Are they actually being used? If the business does not own them, does it have a license to use them? And will that license transfer with the sale of the business? Are copyrights registered for photographs, computer software that the company owns? Does the company have trade secrets? If so, is it actually protecting the trade secrets and treating them as trade secrets, not just calling them trade secrets, but letting anybody use them? Are all the rights for any patents the business claims, are they protected and being enforced? And the biggest issue with an IP audit is all of the intellectual property of the business registered and owned by the actual business, not by someone who's a shareholder of the business or one of the officers, but does the business actually own it? So I'm Mike Steger. I'm an intellectual property attorney. I help businesses conduct IP audits. If that's something of interest to you, please give me a call. Poster in the back there is a poster I got when I was working in Hungary a long time ago. And what it says at the top is, "Comrade, the game is up." That might have some resonance with what's going on right now. I'm Mike Steger. Talk to you next week.